Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. This time guys is the number 115. But well, before we get into this guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell to stay notified. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does giving how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time for an up-close look at the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This guys, as I said before, is the number 115. If you would like to see the previous 114, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of this video. Well, let's continue on. And here it shows like a winter terrace. Let me see if I can get it in better focus. That's one of the interesting things about this collection is that it shows not only Victorian dollhouses, but it also shows more modern ones as well, which is very nice. There you have a very small, delicate bouquet of flowers there. Here, there's some that look really pretty. I especially like that it has one that's like just about to bloom there, and then a bud there. It's very nice. Which flowers do you like better, the white ones or the pink ones? Tell me down in the comments below. And over here, it shows you how to make little empanadas for your dollhouse. Or like little pies, you could say. For those of you who don't know what an empanada is, it's like a little pie with like a savory inside. So like meat or vegetables, egg, ham, cheese, that kind of thing. But this is like a doll version of that. And guys, as I always say with this collection, once we have the full collection, which we are about to finish, I will be walking you through how to do each one of these little projects, and we will be building and constructing the dollhouse together. So guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell so that way you'll be able to be notified whenever I post something new. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. Here it gives a little biography of Charlie Chaplin. Or Charles Chaplin. And well guys, that's the end of that. Here we just have the front of the dollhouse. How it will look once we have it completed. And of course guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well, let's flip back to the front. And now it's time to check out the new addition to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright, so here we have our new carpet. I'm just going to open this up. There we go. And okay. So here it is. Let me see if I can't. There we go. We have it unfolded there. Wow, it's really pretty. And the fabric itself is very... It's not as stiff as I thought it would be. I really like how it's like a bit faded, as if it were old, or like it was walked over a lot. That's like a nice touch. What do you guys think? I really like it. You guys tell me what you think though. Here's the other side, which is just plain. I really like it. I can't wait to put this in the dollhouse. This is gonna look really awesome. I really like it. I don't know. This is cool. Well guys, that's the end of that. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell to stay notified. And of course guys, down in the description below, I will have the links to all of my social media. So my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, linked all down below. I look forward to seeing you guys on there. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does giving how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.